What does it take to revive the natural rubber economy? We know that more than 50,000 products are made from natural rubber. The demand has been soft and the market value is underperforming. It is below the 70% compared to its peak in 2011. Could the natural rubber 2.0 be the ultimate game changer for the new natural rubber economy? Technological innovations such as drones, sensor technology, biotechnology and nanotechnology, robotics and Internet of Things are reshaping the way cultivation and harvesting is done. Artificial intelligence and connected automation have caused new concepts to emerge, such as electric and aerial mobility, 3D printing, clean energy, and industrial applications, which will require new natural rubber materials. The rubber processing industry and the rubber products manufacturing sector will have to choose whether to stay put or hop onto the Industry 4.0 bandwagon. The natural rubber is poised for a radical change as it shifts into the natural rubber 2.0 phase. We are pleased to invite you to participate in the 15th Global Rubber Conference 2019 to be held from 12 to 14 December 2019 at the Howard Johnson Hotel, Haikou. The global policymakers, international experts and leaders of the NR industry will gather to discuss and chart the way forward against the backdrop of the fourth industrial revolution.